What the fuck? Look at this. This just fell out of the fucking sky. Look, it's a dead bird. I was walking down my driveway, and all I heard was a fucking thump. And I was like, what the fuck? It almost hit me in the head. And this fucking thing, I look over, there's a fucking dead bird here. Look, it's still breathing. It's fucked up. Look, you see it's still breathing. I want to put it out of its misery. I don't know what to do. Feel bad for him. What happened to him? Look at him. He's all bloody there. He's still breathing. What the hell is going on around here? Came out. The power's out everywhere. Oh my god, he's back! He's alive! Are you right, bird? He came back to life! You alright, birdie? You alright? You cool? You fucking fell out of the fucking sky. What happened to you? You got blood all over you. You alright, buddy? Am I blinding you? This fucking flashlight? You fucking thumped in the ground. You had to fall like 300 feet. I don't know how you're still alive. Wow, you flipped up like nothing. You're back alive. Is this fucking a zombie apocalypse or some shit? Look at this shit. This fucking bird. He's right fucking in front of me. He was just dead. You all saw it. You all saw it. He's fucking dead. Dead fucking bird. Now he's fucking alive. I think I'm fucking dealing with a zombie bird here. I hope he doesn't peck me. I'm gonna try to hit him with this leaf. He's not moving. You alright, birdie? I'm pecking him. He's not doing nothing. I feel bad for him. Unless he's a zombie, then I'll kill him. But I think he's fucked up real bad. He fell out of the fucking sky out of nowhere. I was just coming in to go to sleep because all the fucking power went out. And this fucking bird came out of nowhere. Oh no! Ooh, that does not look good. Your fucking whole leg is fucked there. See that? I'm sorry, birdie. I don't know what to do for you, bud. I think you're fucked, though. I apologize for your fuckiness, but I should probably stop touching you because you probably don't like that. Well, you don't seem to be suffering. You just probably, like, what the fuck? You're in shock. You just feel like 100 feet slamming the ground. I fucking thought someone was throwing fucking a rock at my head. Alright, well, I guess you'll just slowly sit there and die then. I apologize. But I'm gonna go and go to sleep now. Alright? See you, bud.